Welcome to my channel. Today, I will teach you how to fix phone lagging. But before we start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in order for you to always be updated with my new videos. If you're done, let's start. First, go to settings and then systems, then about phone. As you can see, there's a build number. Click it fast until you will see a pop-up. You are now a developer. Yeah, you are now a developer. Then back, then find the developers options and click it. Then scroll down, then click lagger buffer size. Then select the smallest value or turn it off. For me, it's 64 kilobytes. Then next, scroll down, and then we will off all the animation scale. First is the window animation scale. Select, then animation off. Next is transition animation scale. Select and then animation off. Next is animator duration scale. Select it and animation off. Then scroll down. Then in the force GPU rendering, we will turn it on. And then next, the most important is the background process limit. Select it and then select no background processes, and then we're done. Click back, then go to home, then test it. As what you can see, your phone become smoother after the adjustment we have done. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.